trusted car maintenance, tires, and repairs you can count on. Stop by C&J Automotive and Tire and keep your vehicle and your day running smoothly. Next update in less than 10 minutes. I'm Justin Drovick.
Ocean City, New Jersey sponsors your forecast.
So our day began with a stray shower. We'll see intervals of clouds and sunshine. It won't be as warm as recent days. Can't rule out an afternoon shower in spots, especially north and east of the city, to high 82. And tonight, a few clouds, low 57 to 61. Intervals of clouds and sun tomorrow. One more warm day to enjoy, the high 78. Sunday, a front moves through. It'll be cloudy, breezy, and cooler with showers around through the afternoon. The high 60, though temperature will end the day in the low 50s. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Joe Lundberg.
Right now we have mostly sunny skies, 71 degrees in Center City, heading up to a partly sunny 82 today.
This is a message from Ocean City, New Jersey. A friendly reminder that now is the best time to book your vacation at America's greatest family resort. Call 1-800-BEACH-NJ or visit oceancityvacation.com.
Wall Street futures pointing to a higher open, S&P 500 gaining 0.25%.
KYW News Radio 103.9 FM is always live on the free Odyssey app.
Three things to know at 7:45. Philadelphia taking its 250th birthday celebration to the streets with dozens of events across the city.
Great news as Schwarber the Pit Bull has found a forever home, but we have more dogs who need help. We'll tell you about them coming up.
And our top story this morning. A bad accident in West Philly. One person was killed, 3 others were injured. These cars are smashed up. This is at Walnut and 48th Street. Happened early this morning. An SUV ended up on the front steps of a house. That's all ahead in the next 15 minutes. Good morning. I'm Carol McKenzie.
I'm Ian Bush. Good morning. Tim McLaughlin at the editor's desk along with Joanna Perry. Taking it to the streets, Philadelphia, taking a 250th birthday party right to you. 24 events in neighborhoods across the city. The first one in South Philadelphia. We sent Vikram Kapathi to, and he's got this report.
Thursday afternoon's Point Breeze Market Festival near Point Breeze Avenue and Warden Street was the first of 20 Ring It On events across the city over the last 9 months of 2026. Mayor Sherelle Parker wants the semi-quincentennial to reach residents who might not get out to big events in the historic district or down at the sports complex. She says that was a flaw of the 1976